tree. Been wondering just what you mean to me. Oh, Christmas tree. Honestly, it's never been much about you. Don't get me wrong, I think you're great. Root of tradition, we
Go ahead and start tapping on the side of your hand and repeat after me. Even though the last thing I want to do is study, I accept myself anyway. And even though I just really don't want to study right now, I accept myself and this feeling. And even though I'm feeling all this resistance to studying because I just don't want to, I accept myself anyway. Top of the head, I just don't want to study. Eyebrow, I really don't want to study right now. Side of the eye, all I have to do is just notice this resistance. Under the eye, I really don't want to study. Under the nose, I just don't want to study. Under the mouth, all I have to do is just notice it. Collarbone, I'm giving myself permission to just notice how much I don't want to study. Under the arm, I really don't want to study. Finger points, I just don't want to study. Index finger, I just don't want to study anymore. Middle finger, I just don't want to study. Ring finger, I just don't want to study. Pinky finger, I don't want to study anymore. And side of hand, go ahead and take a deep breath here. And relax. And go ahead and tune in with that number that you had before that told you about your level of resistance, just how much you didn't want to study, and just notice if it changed. Did it go up, down, or did it stay the same? So you may need more tapping rounds, or you may need to get a bit more specific about what you don't want to study for you to feel a shift.
my sister's here, my cousins too.